how seeds become plants. How does the seed grow into a plant? We can find seeds of different shapes and sizes. Seeds are made up of three parts: an outer shell, called the seed coat, a tiny baby plant that's inside the seed, called the embryo, and some plant food for the embryo, called endosperm. The seed coat has an important job. It covers the entire seed, protecting the little baby plant inside and keeping it from drying out. The seed coat also has super sensing powers. It has special chemicals in it that can tell when the seed is in the right place to start growing. When the seeds are in a bag or in your hands, it's like they are asleep. The seeds are still alive, but they are dormant or inactive. Some seeds can stay like this for hundreds or even thousands of years. To start growing, every seed needs water, the right temperature, and the right amount of light. Once the seed has these three things, like one is planted in some nice wet soil, the embryo or baby plant gets the signal to start growing. For plants, this process is called germination. First, the seed coat allows some water through it to the embryo, but the embryo needs more than just water if it's going to grow. It makes use of the food it carries until the plant can make its own food from sunlight, for which it will need leaves. Till then, it relies on the endosperm for energy. It's like the baby plant has its own backpack of snacks. So, the embryo keeps growing and taking in more water until the seeds sheds off. Now, the root starts coming out. This is the first part of the plant to come out of the seed. The root always grows downwards. So, no matter what way the seed is planted, it can tell which way is up or down. The root pushes down deeper and deeper into the soil, looking for more water and minerals to feed the baby plant. Soon, after the first baby root finds its way into the dirt, another part of the seed pops out, this time in the opposite direction. This is the stem of the plant. Along with it, a few tiny leaves push their way up through the ground towards the sunlight. Once this happens, we say that the plant has sprouted. Now, the plant doesn't need the endosperm anymore because it can make its own food from sunlight with enough water and sunlight and the right temperature. The young plant will continue to grow, getting bigger and growing more leaves and start producing seeds of its own.